ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our show Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 16th of August, and the facts are as follows. In 1977, Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, passed away at the age of 42 at his Graceland estate in Memphis, Tennessee. His death marked the end of an era in music history, leaving an indelible legacy in the entertainment world. In 1987, on this day, a McDonnell Douglas aircraft operated by Northwest Airlines crashed shortly after takeoff from Detroit Metropolitan Airport, Michigan. The accident resulted in the deaths of 156 people, including 2 on the ground, and led to significant changes in aviation safety protocols. In 2008, at the Beijing Olympics, Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt set a new world record in the men's 100 meters with a time of 9.69 seconds. This victory was the first of 3 gold medals he would win at the Games, solidifying his status as one of the greatest sprinters of all time. In 1858, the first transatlantic telegraph message was sent, uniting Europe and America through communication. Sent by Britain's Queen Victoria to US President James Buchanan, the message read, "Europe and America are now united by telegraphic communication." Cyprus attained independence on 16th of August 1960 after being a British colony since 1878. The island became the Republic of Cyprus following the London and Zurich agreements between the United Kingdom, Greece, and Turkey. The Harmonic Convergence was the world's first synchronized global peace meditation, coinciding with an exceptional alignment of solar system planets on August 16th to 17th in the year 1987. Dear listeners, that's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I am your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. We will meet you again with more interesting discussions and facts. Stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.